Hey, what's up guys, it's Lord here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to customize the wallpaper on our smartwatch. So as you can see, we have various wallpaper on the smartwatch, but we might actually want to put in our own picture as a wallpaper on our smartwatch. So how do we do that? First off, what you have to do is to open the the iWatch Pro app. So after that, what you have to do is to click on this dial setting. So when you click on that, you have to leave it to load up, and after that you will see different kinds of wallpaper you can actually use on your smartwatch. So this is pretty much easy and straightforward. What you have to do is to click on the custom die. This is right here, custom die. We have the digital die, you have the space die, machine die, and others. So you have to click on this custom die right here. So you can click on this or this. So let me click on this one. After that, it's gonna open up this section right here, and we have the upper left. This is where the time is gonna display. So upper left, you can click on upper right, lower left, and at the bottom right. So let me just click on upper left right here. So after that, you have to click on select image. So you are going to select an image right here. So yeah, you're going to select an image. So what you have to do is to select a particular image. So I'm going to select this one right here, and click on good. That's all. The next thing we have to do is to click on install to install the wallpaper on our smartwatch. So after clicking on install, you will see this kindly reminder. So click on got it, and the wallpaper will start installing. So you can look at the smartwatch, you can see the watch and the phone icon right here displaying. So yeah, give it some time to load up. It is written die installation, so it is actually installing right now. So it is done installing. Let's see, we are gonna see the wallpaper right here. So as you can see, the wallpaper has appeared on the smartwatch and look pretty, right? This is pretty much amazing. Yeah, so this is the process you can actually use to add wallpaper to your smartwatch, and you can continuously and you can just follow the process and add any image of your choice. Once you click on select image, you can put any image of your choice, and that's going to give your smartwatch a pretty look, and it's going to make it look more cool. Yeah, that is all on how to customize wallpaper on your smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell so always get notified whenever we drop a new video on the channel. My name is